If proof was needed that JD Classics can produce restorations of any car to concours-winning standards, this stunning 1955 Lancia Aurelia B24S Spider, restored by us to the highest level, is a good example of the diversity of commissions that we receive from clients. This car, one of the 181 left-hand drive cars built from a total production of 240, was, in all fairness, a good car to start with. But with the aim of producing a show-winning car, we undertook a bare metal respray to its original colour, and then refreshed all of the chrome trim parts and Borrani wire wheels. The car was then finished off with a full JD Classics Concours Detailing, a process that capitalises on our experience from entering concours competitions all over the world. The car was then accepted as an entrant to the prestigious Cartier Style Luxe as one of the 50 cars to be exhibited for their rarity and beauty at the 2013 Goodwood Festival of Speed. In a field with some of the most beautiful Bugatti, Ferrari and other exotic marques, we were thrilled when the illustrious judging panel announced the Lancia as Best in Show. Whilst this beautiful Italian drophead has earned its colours on the concours lawn, it's not a static exhibit. It drives superbly and justifies its reputation as one of the most beautifully engineered cars of the 50s. JD Classics can restore any classic car to the highest standards, and we are very pleased that this show-winning Lancia is another great showcase for our work.